नमस्कार दोस्तों, नींद से जुड़ी वीडियोस की श्रृंखला में मैं सुमति अरोड़ा आप सबका एक बार फिर से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेफ़्ट साइड यानी कि बाएं पक्ष पर सोने के कुछ लाभ के बारे में जानेंगे। यह आपके पाचन के बुरे प्रभावों को कम करके सुधार सकता है। इससे आपकी आंतों में विच्छेदन की प्राकृतिक प्रवाह को सहायता मिलती है। इसके अलावा यह अम्ल अपच के लक्षणों को कम कर सकता है, क्योंकि यह आपके पेट को आपके गले से नीचे रखकर अम्ल को उठाने से रोकता है। हालांकि आपके अंगों पर लंबे समय तक दबाव डालने से तकलीफ या तनाव हो सकता है, विशेषकर गर्भवती महिलाओं के लिए। नींद के दौरान घूमना इसे दूर करने में मदद कर सकता है। Are you experiencing difficulty sleeping through the night? Do you often find yourself constantly tossing and turning, struggling to find a comfortable sleeping position? If so, you may want to consider making a simple switch to your bedtime routine that could potentially make a world of difference. Sleeping on your left side. Believe it or not, there are several health benefits associated with sleeping on your left side. One of the most advantages is improvement of digestion. When you sleep on your left side, you can help facilitate the natural movement of waste through your intestines. This can aid in alleviating issues such as constipation and bloating, ultimately promoting better overall digestive health. In addition to its digestive benefits, sleeping on the left side can also be advantageous for heart health. By sleeping on your left side, you can help reduce the amount of pressure placed on your heart and allow for better blood flow and circulation throughout the body. This can ultimately lead to a healthier heart and may even reduce the risk of certain heart-related conditions. Furthermore, sleeping your left side can also be beneficial for pregnant women. This sleeping position can help improve circulation to the heart, reduce swelling in the feet, ankles, and hands, and improve kidney function. It can also be beneficial for the baby for promoting optimal blood flow to the uterus and empowering the body to filter and eliminate toxins more effectively. If you struggle with snoring or sleep apnea, sleeping on your left may also offer some relief. This position can help keep your airways open and reduce the risk of obstruction, ultimately leading to a quieter and more peaceful night's sleep. With the benefits of sleeping on your left side are numerous, it's important to note that the position may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain medical conditions or injuries. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best sleeping position for your individual needs. So, the simple act of sleeping on your left side can lead to many health benefits, including improved digestion, heart health, and even relief from snoring and sleep apnea. So, if you have been struggling to find a comfortable sleeping position, consider giving the left side a try and reap the potential rewards for your overall well being.